Y'all about to do a Helena right now on this 2005 Cat Eye Crew Cab. He's gonna get brand new suede. He's gonna get the bridge color, and let's get to it. We're almost done taking it out. As you can see, we took the pillars off, the sun visors, the centerpiece. I was gonna need to take that pillar off. We took this side pillars too. We took them off. Right now we're gonna take the rear pillars and this roof rack right now. Set y'all here right now so y'all can see everything. So let's get to it. Alright, so we're about to take the headliner off. We already got all the clips loose. The side pillars are kind of loose. I don't really be taking them off because it's a pain in the ass to put back on. And the headliner from the front is pretty much already hanging out. So we're gonna pop it off and get to it. Alright, so the headliner is pretty much off already. We already pretty much got it hanging out. And all we gotta do is pop it out. Hang it up there. Here's the headliner. We already took it out. It's all dirty, all nasty. Water damage. Seems to be aftermarket. But we're about to see what's up with it. Shit. Oh.
Purchase your tracks today.
fault. Last night I got really sick. We left the headliner. I left the headliner just like how it was. I haven't really done nothing to it. It's still the same. Everything was good on it. Everything was good. No edges aren't peeling, no nothing. But I did figure something out on it. I don't know how I didn't notice, but there's like little holes. I don't know if y'all can see them. Let me flip the camera real quick. So this is the headliner. It has these little holes right here that I don't really like. But I mean, I talked to the customer about it. There's nothing I can really do. I told him that I can change it for free, you know, because it's my fault that the holes, like, I mean, it's not my fault that the holes are there, but it is my fault that I put the suede on without checking it first. But I talked to him about it, and there's nothing I can really do. But he said he's gonna come back for starlights. I think he's gonna get around 400, 600. I don't really know. But when he comes back, I'm gonna change the suede and I'm gonna install the starlights. But yeah, this is the update on the headliner. I really didn't do much on it yesterday because I got sick, bro. It like, I'm telling y'all, bro, when I tell y'all it's cold, bro, it's fucking cold. Look, I was washing the suede, bro. Look at that shit. There's ice in the fucking water. That's how cold it is. But I got sick last night and I really wasn't feeling it, so I just took a little break and I decided to do it tomorrow morning. But I'm gonna try to finish it by today because still gotta wire up the roof rack and had a little bit of stuff that he has, and that's about it. But I keep y'all updated on the headliner if anything. So we're about to start on the headliner. I'm about to move it a little bit here on this side because my fucking house is short as fuck and won't reach. But we're about to start on it, and I'll keep y'all updated if anything.
Purchase your tracks today.
What's up with it, y'all? I'm about to be done. I ain't really record me putting the headliner on, but the headliner's already on. I just gotta finish doing one side mirror, one that's it called sun visor, and that's pretty much it. I just need to do that one sun visor, put it on, and the truck's done. But I'll show y'all videos of the finished product right now. Here's the sun visor I did. I just need to tuck in a little bit of the edges, and that's pretty much about it. That's pretty much the finished product.